Hi, I would like to talk more today about open educational resources, in short, OER. How can we empower learning through OERs? I'd like to emphasize, first of all, how it cuts costs, customize, and we are able to collaborate more with OER resources. What's the traditional problem regarding resources right now? Okay. Educational materials are way too expensive. Textbook costs about hundreds of dollars, and then we have the rigid, outdated resources that is limiting our creativity, and many students cannot even access affordable learning materials online. So we have to think about ways we can share our learning and expertise with the world. So the solution is OER. Open educational resources are free, openly licensed materials for teaching, learning, and sharing. Examples of that could be textbooks, lesson plans, videos, quizzes, interactive tools. The 5 R's of the OER is first to reuse. That means we use the contents that it is, or we can share it with others, and then for any purpose in different kinds of mediums, it does not matter. We can also revise it. You can adapt it or edit the contents, and when you do that, you can be able to alter it to suit different types of learners. Can be older learners, more diverse learners, it does not matter. So you can revise it and you can remix it and combine it with other resources so that you can enrich learning through different types of mediums. You can mash up the content with other materials, and then you come up and create your own resources for others. And so you can redistribute, share it with others. There are different licenses that you can look into. CreativeCommons.org will help you understand more about that. So when you share original or altered versions of content, it's okay. You can let others revamp it and redistribute it. You can also retain part of the content for yourself and control the number of copies of content if you want to. So there's a lot of flexibilities in it. Why do we want to do OER? There are 3 big benefits. Number 1, it costs saving. So students can save 100% on the textbook costs because it's free. You can download materials, textbooks for free, like this edtechbooks.org. Lots and lots of books at college level that students all over the world can download and teachers can use. So you can customize it. Teachers can adapt the content for their learners. You can collaborate with the global communities, improving your resources together. One brain is not so powerful, but if you have more brains, hello, we have a lot of it. The opportunities are unlimited. So there are 3 simple ways that we can help promote or develop OER. The first one is to find one great OER resource, like in OER Commons, OpenStax, MIT OpenCourseWare. You may have looked at Khan Academy that has produced 100,000 lessons, or Wikipedia is another one. So we can adapt or remix, modify content to suit your needs. And then we can share it, publish it back to the community with Creative Commons licenses. So you can look at the creativecommons.org for more details on that. Just like an apple, if we cut an apple, can you count the number of seeds in an apple? Can you count the number of seeds in an apple? Of course, right? But can you count the number of apples in a seed? Can you count the number of apples from one seed? So likewise, what we do will have a lasting impact on others, and it has an exponential multiplying effect. A teacher can use a free OpenStax textbook, add some custom activities, and share it back online. Thousands of teachers and students can benefit from it. So that's the power of OER. Let's think about what we can do to transform education together. We have to start small. Find and use one OER resource in your class. Then spread the word. Share the OER with your colleagues, no matter where you are in the world. Be a creator. Remix or create an OER resources together and come out with a textbook like many others do. So let's make education accessible for all. After all, even the world, the air that we breathe is free. Why not education? Let's empower others.